Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel is Finding Value. I was scrolling through the comment section and I read a couple of comments about some people getting afraid of deflation, of a market crash. Number one, I think it's valid. It is. But I've got some charts pulled up here. This is copper. It's going higher. It's a very large chart pattern. Now if I scroll down right here, show you this. We've got zinc, nickel just broke out, iron ore is going up, rare earth metal broke out to the upside, lead's putting in some work, very large pattern, tin's about to break out, Rio Tinto looks good on a gigantic pattern breaking to the upside, VALE has a huge pattern breaking to the upside, same with Southern Copper, same with BHP Group, same with South 32. What I'm getting at is these chart patterns are so large that I can't not be in them. I have to be in them. I have to have money in these. If I don't have money in them, I would literally just, I have to. And if a 30% decline comes, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it and I'm going to add more. These chart patterns, they come once every 15 years. That's how long it took for that one. And it's from here, for that pattern to repeat again, I might be 70 years old. It might not come for a very long time. The last pattern, it ended in 2008 and it's starting again in 2020. That's a 12-year from top to top. It's a 20-year from 98, 2000 till today is a 22-year pattern. So this may not come another, 22 years out. 22 years out. So I have to be in it. And another thing to think of is I don't know of two crashes happening kind of like right back to back. I don't see it in history. Now, there was a large crash in the Depression. It came up and then it kind of trickled out. It wasn't a very fast crash. So I don't think you're going to see that gigantic crash. But if they shut everything down, if they shut the economy down, I get it. It could do it again. Because, obviously nothing is certain. So the patterns are so large. The patterns are so big. The asymmetric bet, 30-40% downside risk to a 20 or 30, a 20x to 30x upside or more. I got to take the 20 or 30x upside. And if we get that crash, I'll just cost average in and get some cheaper shares and be happy that it crashed and that I loaded up with whatever money I'm making at that time. So I don't have anything to totally ease your nerves or whatnot, and hopefully you're sleeping okay at night. But that's what I'm doing. That's my plan, and I'm going to ride this thing out. So if you enjoy this content, click the thumbs up button, subscribe, and I appreciate everyone listening. Thank you, and this is Finding Value.